The 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon stands tall with its unmistakable boxy silhouette, blending timeless design with modern innovations. As we approach the front, the bold Panamericana grille immediately captures attention, featuring vertical chrome slats and a massive Mercedes-Benz emblem at its center. The LED headlights retain their iconic circular design but now come with a more refined DRL signature that gives the SUV a futuristic yet classic appeal. The sculpted hood, with subtle power bulges, hints at the raw power underneath, and the redesigned bumper integrates air intakes that enhance aerodynamics while maintaining the rugged off-road character. The high ground clearance and upright stance emphasize its all-terrain dominance, making it instantly recognizable as a G-Wagon. Moving to the left side, the G-Wagon's muscular profile remains largely unchanged, but closer inspection reveals newly designed alloy wheels that range from 18 inches to an astonishing 22 inches for the AMG variants. The squared wheel arches are more pronounced, accommodating wider tires for improved stability. The signature exposed door hinges and protective side moldings remain, reinforcing the SUV's military roots while adding a luxurious touch. The side mirrors, now aerodynamically enhanced, come with integrated LED turn signals, and the door handles retain their solid, reassuring feel, giving a sense of durability with every touch. A closer look at the running boards reveals a new anti-slip surface, making it easier to step into this high-riding beast. Now, let's take a look at the right side, where the design symmetry continues, mirroring the robust and aggressive styling of the left. The roof rails add practicality, allowing for additional cargo carrying capabilities. The flared wheel arches and high beltline create a commanding presence on the road, and the side windows feature a more refined trim that enhances the premium feel. The V8 and AMG variants get distinctive badging on the fenders, subtly indicating the beastly performance capabilities beneath the hood. The large doors ensure easy access to the spacious cabin, and the signature clamshell-style hood further reinforces the rugged DNA of this luxury off-roader. At the back, the G-Wagon retains its iconic rear-mounted spare wheel, housed in a sleek metallic casing that proudly bears the Mercedes-Benz logo. The LED taillights are slimmer, with a sharper light signature that enhances visibility and gives the rear a more modern appeal. The rear bumper is now more integrated with the body, featuring new skid plates that add both function and style. The tailgate, which still opens sideways, offers robust hinges for long-lasting durability. The rear windshield is large, providing excellent visibility, and comes with a wiper neatly tucked under the spoiler. The twin exhaust outlets, positioned on either side of the SUV, produce a deep, aggressive growl, especially in the AMG models. The rear parking sensors and a 360-degree camera ensure that maneuvering this large SUV is effortless, even in tight spaces. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2025 G-Wagon is a masterpiece of luxury and technology. The first thing that catches the eye is the expansive digital cockpit, featuring a high-resolution dual-screen setup that seamlessly integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system. The latest MBUX interface brings an intuitive experience with voice control, AI-powered assistance, and stunning graphics. The steering wheel, wrapped in premium leather, comes with touch-sensitive controls and a flat bottom design for a sportier feel. The center console is finished in high-quality materials, including real wood, carbon fiber, or piano black, depending on the trim level. The signature grab handle remains on the passenger side, paying homage to the G-Wagon's off-road heritage. The seats are a true highlight, offering plush Nappa leather upholstery with intricate stitching and optional diamond quilted patterns. Heated, ventilated, and massaging functions ensure ultimate comfort for both the driver and passengers. The front seats are highly adjustable, with memory settings that cater to individual preferences. The ambient lighting system has been upgraded with multiple color options, creating a personalized atmosphere that enhances the driving experience, especially at night. Moving to the rear, the spacious cabin offers ample legroom and headroom, thanks to the upright design. Rear passengers enjoy the same level of luxury as the front, with heated and ventilated seats, individual climate control zones, and an optional rear seat entertainment system. The high-quality materials continue throughout the cabin, with soft touch surfaces, premium leather, and real metal accents. The panoramic sunroof allows natural light to flood the interior, enhancing the sense of space and openness. Technology-wise, the G-Wagon is packed with the latest innovations. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a premium Burmester surround sound system that delivers an immersive audio experience. Multiple USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, and an advanced climate control system ensure that every journey is as comfortable as possible. The latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a sophisticated off-road mode, make driving the G-Wagon a breeze, whether on city streets or rugged trails. Under the hood, the 2025 G-Wagon offers multiple powertrain options, from a turbocharged inline-six to a monstrous twin-turbo V8 in the AMG variant. The hybrid-assisted powertrain improves efficiency while maintaining the legendary performance expected from a G-Wagon. The advanced suspension system has been fine-tuned for better on-road comfort without compromising off-road capabilities. With its 3 locking differentials, superior approach and departure angles, and enhanced traction control, the G-Wagon remains one of the most capable luxury SUVs on the planet. Whether it's the imposing front, the rugged yet refined sides, the unmistakable rear, or the ultra-luxurious interior, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon continues to be a statement of power, prestige, and performance.